In this video, we are going to talk about the highest RPM niches on YouTube in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Are you seeking for the finest YouTube niches to launch a successful channel? YouTube is one of the most powerful online money-making platforms. Indeed, many entrepreneurs are making YouTube their full-time career. However, getting to that stage demands a great deal of commitment and hard effort. Choosing the correct specialty is one of the most difficult aspects. You'll need to pick a niche with a lot of interest and few rivals. In this post, I'll teach you how to pick the proper niche and the greatest niches for YouTube so that you may benefit from your channel. How to select the most appropriate niche for your YouTube channel. A good YouTube niche is one where people can discover you among rivals and businesses are prepared to pay for visibility, which can help you expand and monetize your account quicker. Furthermore, a successful niche will attract an interested audience who will subscribe to your channel and are more likely to use the services and goods you promote. What is the best way to find profitable YouTube niche? Niche research is the answer. These actions should be completed if you want to locate the greatest YouTube niches. Investigate the specialized market. This will assist you in identifying possible possibilities and emerging markets. To begin, double-check that the market you wish to reach is utilizing this platform. Look into specialized trends. Trends can assist you in determining what people are interested in at any given time. Examine the competition in your niche. You can figure out which niches are performing and which aren't by looking at your rivals. Also, certain niches may have a lot of competition, so stay away from them. Make sure you're targeting the proper people. The majority of YouTube's audience is between the ages of 18 and 49. This implies that if you're looking to reach an older demographic, this isn't the platform for you. Once you've found a niche that meets the above criteria, you'll be on your way to finding a successful YouTube niche. Number 10. PS5 VR. Virtual reality is a movement that has had many ups and downs. You may take advantage of this trend if you pick the correct VR platform. If you look at the PS5 VR trend, for example, you can see how much interest has grown in the previous several years. Because this is a relatively recent trend, the volume and competitiveness are both low. New VR technology and games are expected to make this niche more competitive as time goes on. Finally, you must adapt your content strategy to new platforms and technologies in order to flourish in this area. If the PS6 launches, for example, the market and attention will most certainly shift from PS5 VR to PS6 VR. The trick here, like in any niche, is to remain on top of trends and deliver the most up-to-date information to your target audience. Number 9. Mediterranean diet. If you want to start a food-related YouTube channel, the Mediterranean diet could be for you. For the past several years, this style has grown in popularity and continues to do so. It's currently at the sweet spot between volume and competition, as you can see from the score. This indicates that now is the best time to enter this market. Recipes, meals, meal plans, and other specialty content ideas include these. Number 8. AI marketing. In recent years, digital marketing has been one of the fastest growing areas. With the recent development of AI marketing, a successful YouTube niche concept is presented. It's the perfect niche right now, with a score of 87 out of 100. Its main qualities are a high volume and a low level of competitiveness. Topics such as AI marketing trends, advice, and tools might be good places to start in this field. Number 7. Skincare for men. Women's skincare has long been a popular specialty, and it is fiercely competitive. Men, on the other hand, are taking better care of their skin than ever before, presenting a new commercial potential. The graph below depicts the progression of interest in this issue through time, with a tremendous increase in recent years. The total score indicates a medium level of volume and competitiveness, indicating that you may still succeed with high-quality material. You may also try to narrow down your specialty to more precise niche categories, such as men's skincare regimens or men's skincare recommendations. You will be diminishing your expertise in this manner. Number 6. Plant-based diet. We've previously spoken about how important it is to eat properly and keep healthy. Plant-based diets are a terrific YouTube niche for foodies because of this. Starting a YouTube channel sounds like a terrific idea with a highly consistent trend and growth over the previous few years. Furthermore, the market is currently at the sweet spot between volume and competitiveness. So, before things become too competitive, I recommend that you think about it. Whole food plant-based diets or a beginner's plant-based diet are two options for getting started in this specialty. Number 5. Sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion is another trend that is gaining traction. This niche is only likely to increase in the future years, as both major and small manufacturers work to create more ethical and sustainable fashion in a more conscious society. The development over the previous 5 years is readily seen in the trend graph below. And this is only the start. The competition is aware of the opportunity, so it is already medium. However, there are still plenty of opportunities in this YouTube niche, which is just getting started. Number 4. Travel vlog. Some might argue that travel vlogs were the first popular YouTube accounts. The fact is that this is a niche where interest grows exponentially over time. However, because of its popularity, this is a niche with a lot of competition, so you'll need to develop epic material to have a chance. The traveler communicates with the viewer by discussing their travels in these YouTube videos, which are usually in the first person. However, this can be accomplished in a variety of ways, which is why new content and innovation will always have a chance to flourish on this social media platform, particularly in this sector. You may also create trip vlogs relevant to where you reside, such as Travel Vlogs Spain, to locate less competitive YouTube niches. As you can see, the complexity level has decreased, increasing your chances of success in this specialty. Number 3. Healthy snacks. Another popular YouTube topic is food. Healthy cuisine, in particular, is in high demand on the YouTube search engine. Going specialized and focusing on healthy snacks, for example, might be a fantastic approach to eliminate some expertise while still maintaining a healthy volume. Furthermore, because this is a developing trend, it may be a smart time to invest now. With a lot of traffic but a lot of competition, it could be a good idea to specialize down another level to eliminate some of the rivals. For example, by focusing on more particular subjects such as healthy snacks for kids, healthy snacks for weight loss, healthy snacks for work, healthy snacking ideas, and healthy snacks during pregnancy, you may eliminate some of your competition. By selecting more particular themes, you will not only be able to eliminate some competence, but you will also be able to construct your channel more quickly. I tried healthy foods during pregnancy as an example, and the competition is already lower. Number 2. Fitness fashion. Separately, fitness and fashion are two of the most popular online areas. As a result, combining the two is a solid bet that is gaining popularity. Although interest in this phrase is still developing slowly, it has begun to accelerate on other platforms, such as Instagram. And, as marketers place a greater emphasis on fitness fashion, this will soon be a lucrative YouTube specialty. Even though the volume isn't particularly high right now, it's enough to establish a lucrative YouTube channel on a topic that people are interested in and where competition is currently low. Workout routines with varied costumes based on the activity, setting, gym attire, and so on are some fitness fashion ideas for your channel. Number 1. Gaming. If there's one YouTube niche that's exploding, it's the gaming niche. The tendency, as seen in the graph below, peaked during the COVID epidemic, but it is here to stay. With 6.2 million videos and 1 million channels, gaming is a tremendously competitive YouTube genre. As a result, before deciding on this area, you should consider your strategy. As you can see, there is a lot of competition. With so many new and intriguing games to choose from, are many YouTubers still starting channels to share their gaming experiences, broadcast, and provide tips. Some of the most successful gaming channels on YouTube are devoted to a single game. This is a fantastic technique to narrow down your focus from gaming and eliminate thousands of rivals in the process. You could, for example, start a Valheim-themed YouTube channel. You might provide a variety of insights and experiences on this channel, and if your material is strong enough, Valheim subscribers would likely follow you. Choosing a game that is popular but not the most popular is the easiest method to thrive in this area. Do you have any YouTube channel? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.